Hey Craftsy, and welcome back to my channel. So, if you are like me and you always collect craft supplies and you never use it, we are here together to start using those craft supplies just because we need to have some fun. Now we're gonna start a Christmas series, which I can't wait to share with you. So let's get into the video. We're gonna make a Christmas tree decoration looking like a little angel. So here's what you'll need. A bead, a crystal bead, two bead cuffs, wings, and then a little flat bead. So I want you to look at my nails, so please just admire the beautiful nails and then we'll continue making the little angel. We're taking some crystal string, the strong one, and then we're taking the crystal bead and then just taking it through. It's quite wide at the end where the crystal is, so I'm taking a little bit of a spacer just to make sure that it is close to the bead so that when we put the cuff through, it doesn't jump up all the time. See, much better. Okay, really looks good. Now I'm going to take the big cuff to be the little skirt of the little angel. I'm just going to put it through. And there we go. Now it's much closer and it doesn't jump up all the time. So now we're going to take another spacer just to keep it down so that if it does want to jump up, it doesn't have that little sneakiness to it. So it's already starting to look like a little angel. Then we're taking the bead that represents the head. So you can take any color that you like. I'm taking pink because I like pink. And then we're taking the smaller bead cuff. So we're just putting it the other way around so that it looks like a little crown. And as you can see here, I'm just putting one string by one string because both doesn't want to go in at the same time. So we're taking it separately and there we go. So cute. So then we're taking a little flat bead. Now the reason I'm taking a little flat bead is just so that it doesn't look too strange on top of her head where the crown is. Looks so adorable. See, so it closes it off. So then we're just taking another spacer so we can make a hoop for the top part so that it can just go onto the tree. There we go. Hey Craftsy, I see you there. Please boop the like button if you are enjoying this video so far, so that we can share this video with other crafties like yourself. Thank you. So now we're gonna make a bloom fairy. So we're gonna need spacers, a big crystal bead. So in comparison to the other angel we just made, this one is definitely bigger. Then we're taking a little flower bead, just as a crown perhaps. Another bead cuff, a bigger one. And then we're taking these leaf beads. This will be her arms. And then just to show you the difference, so we have 3 types of beads here. You can use any type of bead you want, bigger one or a smaller one. I'm going to take the dark pink one. And then we can also use like a white one, crystal one, any type of bead that you want to use. We're also going to have the little flower bead to put on top as a little cherry on top. Here's a little example of what we want to go according to, but it's just going to look a bit different. Just put a little twist on it. Now we're going to use crystal string, the strong one, not the stretchy one. Once again, we start with the crystal bead first. Just taking it through. So this time we're taking the bigger cuff bead first, and then we're going to take the spacer so that it doesn't jump up. So you can see it's already popping up. And now for the wings or the arms. So depending on what you want it to be, from my side I think it should be the arms. And then we're just putting them through. We're adding her little flower crown. We can either call her a flower fairy or a bloom fairy. Let me know in the comments what you think we should call her. And she already looks so cute. We're ending it off with another spacer, and then just to make a hoop for the side to go onto the tree. As you can see, she's very happy. She's already dancing and doing her own moves. Hey! So you're not sure what to do next? Well, you can watch this video that YouTube is recommending for you, or this video, something that I want you to watch. Have fun watching. Bye!